If you're experiencing issues with Overwatch 2 updates getting stuck, follow these simple steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and enable the update process smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing other online services or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the battle net client. Close the battle net client completely and then reopen it. This can refresh the connection and may resolve any temporary glitches causing the update to be stuck. Step 3. Clear cache. Navigate to the battle net client settings and find the option to clear the cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be hindering the update process. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the battle net client icon and select Run as administrator. This can provide the necessary permissions for the update to proceed without interruptions. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall Overwatch 2 and then reinstall it through the battle net client. This ensures that you have the latest version and can fix any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of the Overwatch 2 update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.